Hi guys, welcome back. Thank you for your support on a video which was 6 reasons in 6 minutes why you can't lose weight. If you haven't watched it yet, I'll highly recommend you check it out. I'll link it down in the description. Similar to the previous video, we are now back with another one. We'll talk about 6 reasons in 6 minutes why you can't build muscle. So let's get started. The first common reason is not eating enough protein. Now, I know this is a very debatable topic in the fitness industry and it deserves a separate video on its own. But for this video, we'll try to keep it short. Try to hit anywhere between 1.5 grams of protein to 2 grams of protein per kg of your body weight. Now, I know many people would tell you need to eat 2.5 grams to 3 grams of protein per kg of your body weight. But trust us, there's no need for that. So if you're a 70 kilo person who's trying to build muscle, aim to eat anywhere between 105 to 140, 145-ish grams of protein a day. But this does not end here. Let's say you are an overweight individual. So let's say extremely overweight, 150 kgs. So does that mean you need to consume 220 to 300 grams of protein per day? Absolutely not. So that was my point. The next point is not enough weight training. Now everyone knows that you need to lift weights or at least do some sort of body weight training for your muscles to grow. But what most people don't realize is the fact that you need enough stimulus or volume to make your muscles grow effectively. So if you are training just once or twice a week, it will be very hard for your muscles to grow. If you want a frequency from our side, we'll recommend anywhere between 3 to 6 days a week of weight training sessions, depending on your workout schedule and how much time you have. But one tip that we can give you from our side is that try to hit each muscle group at least twice a week. The next point is not eating enough calories. Now we know that most people won't be aware of the fact that you can even build muscle in a caloric deficit or even at maintenance. But in this video, we are going to talk about people who are struggling to build muscle, that means who are too skinny or cannot put on any mass whatsoever. Try eating a good amount of calories, which will allow you to train hard at the gym. And if you want to go technical, try consuming anywhere between 200 to 300 calories for a lean bulk. And if you don't care about putting on fat, then you can even go up to as high as 500 calories surplus. The fourth point is too much stress. Now, stress on its own doesn't has an impact on your muscle building program, but it can hamper your recovery by raising the stress hormone, which is cortisol, and it can even affect the intensity of your workouts. And also, in some people, it can reduce the appetite. So the person is not able to eat enough calories, hence he is not able to build muscle effectively. The fifth point is too much cardio. Now we respect the fact that every individual needs to perform some sort of cardio for his or her own cardiovascular health. Even if you are too skinny, you still need to do some sort of cardiovascular activity. But you need to remember that if you are trying to put on muscle and your body is not getting the required calories and the adequate nutrition, it won't grow. So even if you're not doing cardio on purpose, that is if you're not running on treadmill, but your activity levels are very high throughout the day, which can be due to your job, it will hinder the process of building muscle. So make sure that you do not do too much cardio. And if your activity levels are too high, try compensating for them by eating more calories. Last but not the least is not getting enough sleep. Now, this is the most ignored aspect when it comes to building muscle, and even the most experienced lifters falter at it. You have to respect the fact that your body needs sleep or recovery to grow. Even if you train hard at the gym and you eat right, it won't grow optimally if you're not sleeping enough. So next time you're feeling sore at the gym or you do not have energy to train, just give a thought about your sleep. Are you sleeping enough? And before jumping on to any new supplement or any new pill which promises you better recovery, make sure that your sleep is in check. So just promise yourself that you'll quit down on that last episode of your favorite series and get an extra hour or two of sleep, and make sure you're getting in around 7 to 8 hours of sleep at least every night. So guys, this was the video for today. Hope you liked it. Do not forget to share it with a friend who's taking too many supplements or protein powders but is still not able to pack on muscle. Always remember that the foundation needs to be strong, and your fundamentals is what will guide you through your muscle building journey. Give this video a like, drop down your comments, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.